Hi guys, so the other day we tried teeth whitening with garlic and ginger. So today we'll be trying another method. Today we'll be using garlic, cloves and baking soda. So stay tuned and let's see if it's actually going to work, because the time we tried garlic and ginger it worked. So this time around we'll be trying cloves, garlic and baking soda like I said. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also watch this video to the end to see if this method is going to work or not, and let's see which method is better. So I'll be starting with garlic and I'm just going to grind. You can use one or you can use two. So this is very small, that's why I'm adding extra. So I'm just going to grind this. When I'm done with it, I'm going to add my cloves to it. Just small. So I'm just going to add 5 cloves since I'm making this in small quantity. I'm going to add 5 and I will grind 2. This is super tiny, but because I'm making it for just today, that's why I'm using this tiny quantity. Anyways, you can check out my channel for benefit of cloves, because I've said so many things about cloves on my channel, especially the fact that cloves can help you with your teeth issues if you're having any. So if you're having any issues with your teeth, by now cloves should be your best friend. So you can check out my channel to understand better. So I'm just going to grind this again. So now I'm going to transfer it into a container, just a small container. So yeah, it's very tiny. So now I'm going to add my paste. I told you the last time that you can use any toothpaste of your choice, so I'm using a different paste today. I'm just going to add this. Just add the exact amount you use in brushing. So now I'm going to mix it together. So this would serve at least 2 people, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this should serve 2 people. So now I'm going to add my baking soda to it also. So I'm just going to add small of this to it. I'm going to add the small to it. So now I'll mix everything together. Make sure to mix very well. So now this is what it will look like after mixing. So I'm just going to get my brush and I'm going to brush with it. So yeah, this is safe and you'll be the judge of it. You'll be the one to tell me or to tell everybody if it actually worked or not, or if it is better than the first one we did or not. So I'm just going to brush. I'll keep this one for tomorrow or this evening. So I'm just going to brush with this one. So I'm going to brush with this. So now we are done. What do you think about it? So if you have a soft gum like me, you have to be careful with the baking soda so you don't end up bleeding. So, well, yeah, it worked. I don't know which one is better, this one or the other one though, but yeah, it worked. So I'm going to drop the link of the first video, the one we did I think last week or early this month. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. The one we used just cloves and the one we used just garlic and ginger. I'm going to drop it in the comment section so you can compare the two and let us know which one you think came out better, that first one or this one. Please don't forget to like I said, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, feel free to check out our other content, and please feel free to make a request video. If you want to see a video on our channel, let us know in the comment section. We would actually try our best to create that video and post it. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye. Bye. So this is today's result. That's after we finished everything today. This is the picture I took, and then this other one is the picture of the first time we tried teeth whitening.